Alright folks, today we're down in London's Leake Street tunnel, one of my favorite graffiti-covered playgrounds. And we're getting creative with gelled rim lighting using two 80-200 Pros mounted on Platypod Extremes. My name is Carsten Nuts and you're watching Platypod TV, where innovation never sleeps. Oh, and if you want to deep dive into photography with some of the best photographers on the planet, check out my podcast, the Camera Shake Podcast, where awesome podcasts live. Now today's setup is ridiculously simple. It's super compact and it gives you these professional yet fun looking portraits with loads of energy and color, and those pop beautifully against these tunnel walls. We're using gelled rim lighting to carve out shape and attitude. Red gel camera left, blue gel camera right. Against a darker environment like this tunnel, those colors separate beautifully and give you definition and motion. I'm using two Godox 80-200 Pros with the flashlight heads mounted low on Platypod Extremes using the spigot adapter. Low placement lets us keep stands out of the frame and out of the way, and that's ideal when your model is jumping. I'm shooting at f5.6, 1/200th of a second to freeze motion, and the ISO low enough to kill the ambient light. That keeps the color clean and crisp. The thing to remember is shoot through the motion. Bursts help capture shapes like hair flips, jumps, lunges, whatever looks dynamic. These 80-200s are pretty quick, so you can fire a few shots in quick succession. And if you keep the flash power low enough, they'll recycle much quicker. Low mounted rim lights plus complementary gels plus ambient control plus movement equals graphic portraits with attitude. And if you can see the flashes in the final frame, they're super easy to retouch out either in Lightroom or in Photoshop. Takes 1 second. And there you have it folks. For more awesome ways to use your Platypod gear, check out this video here, where I show you how to create pro portrait lighting with one single speed light and a piece of foam board. That, my friends, is all for today. Keep creating and I'll see you next time.